Hi guys, do you want to achieve a balanced mix like the pros? Let me show you how they do it. First of all, go to your browser and head down to sonobus.net. Download the software, and after that, if you're an Android user, head down to your Play Store. iPhone user, head down to your Apple Store. On your Apple Store, search for Sonobus. Download and install it. As you can see, I've already downloaded and installed it. Then the next thing you will do is to head down to your DAW. In my case, I'm using FL Studio. On the master out, insert Sonobus, the one you've already downloaded on your computer, and head down to connect. On the connect, you will see recent, private group and public group. Go to private group and create a username. In my case, I used IK and I just generated a random password 12345 for this demonstration. You will see your computer's name here. Click connect and head down to your mobile sets. In your mobile sets, click on connect, go to private, type in the same information you've already input on your computer, which is the group name IK, password 12345, and click connect. And automatically your DAW has synced the audio out to your mobile sets, which means you can now play what is going on in your DAW through your mobile phone speaker, and it gives you a perfect sound quality without manipulations. Once that is done, all you need to do is to play your track through your phone and listen to those elements that are too loud that you couldn't notice from a bigger speaker, or those elements that are too low that you couldn't hear also from a bigger speaker. And finally, always send it to mono. And what this means is what will play from your mobile phone will be a mono output. So guys, when next you want to mix, try this method and let me know what you think in the comment section. See you guys in the next one.